Welcome to QishioSoci. In this demo, I'm going to show you the basics of how to use QishioSoci. So from the dashboard, first thing you want to do is import your account, which I have already done. And then you're going to want to find the offer you want to promote. So you click here. We're going to go to Warrior Plus. And because I'm doing a lifestyle one, I'm going to type in life. And here's one, a PLR, the new normal life balance. All right, so I'm going to go over here to grab that deal. And I'll see here this new normal life balance. Copy that, go to offers, put that in there. And here it is. Now I'm going to request it. And you click on request, you click here to request approval. And then you click on request offer. And then you wait until you get a response on. And it says pending, and then you can come back and get that code. Now, once you grab your affiliate code, you're going to want to go into your page builder. And we're just going to go and look for something here that we want to grab, one of these templates here. And we're going to just grab this simple one here. And you'll see the page builder loads. And you'll see the Aurora template, anything you want to do here. And then what you can do is say, okay, you want to grab my life improvement PDF. So to create a link, we're going to click this down arrow here, scroll down to see the word link here. And we're going to add that there. Here's our simple hyperlink. And we put our URL in here and go, this is my hyperlink. .com, or however you paste your affiliate link right there. And then you download it. Are you sure? Yep, we want to download it. All right, so now it has downloaded my template and added it to my list of downloaded pages. So it automatically takes me there. So this is the downloaded pages. So now I want to go to my link. And I click on the link there, and it says that QishioSoci has copied the link, and I say, okay. So now I go to my Facebook posting, and I want to make this a multimedia post. So we want to create a new post, and our campaign name is going to be Aurora Post, and we're going to say grab this great deal, and then we're going to put our link there that we created. What page we want to put it on? Best Day Ever Guy. Post it now. Click on Create Campaign. Has been performed successfully. Click here to see the report. And you see it has been posted on what page? Text, completed. It's not scheduled to do it because we did it automatically. Now let's go look at our post, reload our page. And there it is, grab this deal. And of course we can schedule that. We can put more images in here, but this is the basic idea. And then when I click on this, it takes us to that page that we created with our link. Of course I could do a little better on design, but that's where it is. So all this, that's the basic idea of how QishioSoci works. Now, you can also set up your messenger bot. When you go in your messenger bot, there's all kinds of ways that you can set up postbacks to be notified what domains you want whitelisted. You can create templates so that people are messaging you and you're automatically messaging them back. Set up Facebook on AutoPilot. So as people comment on your thing, so it's like if they go in here and they put a comment in here, hey, this is interesting. You can then have a response to that with a template. You create your templates here, auto comments, and set all those up there to allow people to interact with you even when you're not there. And you have the same thing with Instagram to connect those. So QishioSoci allows you to automate all your social media and allow people to find things that they're interested in by their searching on Facebook, and then connect to products and affiliate links that you have set up in those particular niches that they can stumble across, and you will profit from those even when you're not at your computer, because everything is automated with QishioSoci.